Your Jamaican mom teaching you how to use a public bathroom.
Come, because everywhere you go, you want to use people toilet. You must see toilet connoisseur. Put the tissue in the water because you don't want it to splash up in your munchie.
Yes, mommy.
Don't put your bottom on it. Don't sit on nobody toilet seat. You will catch mange and the whole of you start rotten. Line the seat properly, you have to flip the tissue. The paper drop in there, you have to start over back.
Yes, mommy.
Because if you want to catch all kind of germs that are for your business, them not even clean this bathroom here from man. Not touch nothing. Tired to tell you, say you know use people toilet.
Yes, mommy.
If you use the toilet on your yard, don't drop your bag your ground. Hold on to your bag and don't make it touch the toilet.
Yes, mommy.
Next thing you go catch itch. Do not sit on the toilet seat. Stoop over the seat.
But mommy, you're too short.
Well, tip on your toe then. You should have used the bathroom before you left out this morning. Or hold it. Come, wipe up yourself.
Yes, mommy.
Not that part of the tissue. Somebody already touch it. Break off that part and use the rest. Somebody! They never want to use the bathroom until they see we come in here. Get up off of the toilet seat before you flush. Next thing you go splash up all in your ears. And you catch wax and Canada.
Yes, mommy.
Go wash your hand with soap and water. And you don't really too want to use the people them soap neither. Everybody touch up the soap. Dry off your hand and open the door with the tissue.
Yes, mommy.